Another day, another bogus celebrity death via Twitter. This time, it was Eddie Murphy, who supposedly died in a snowboarding accident, of all things. Hey, it was only a couple of months ago that Robin Williams died on a mountain in Austria. The bogus story. Yes, folks, Eddie is alive, he's alive. Originated on a website called Global Associated News. Which is not where I'd go if I want to know the global news, because the site appears to be devoid of anything resembling actual news. In fact, the site has already fake killed off other celebs like Charlie Sheen, John Bon Jovi, and Tiger Woods.